Hello everyone. Today is Saturday, so I hope you are doing well and happy morning from my side. How are you doing today? Like it's a weekend, so you must have planned something for you. Yeah, it's good. If you have time, then you can utilize in a better way. But if you will ask with me, then I have something that is fighting like inside me, and I want to kill that thing. Actually, you can sense with my voice that I haven't get like yeah got proper sleep today night. Because like yesterday was my so hectic day, so I can't complain here because it's life and it will go like it will have some ups and downs with it. But yeah, we have to trust our process and we have to be disciplined with ourselves. That's only matters. Even I can't see myself properly in the camera, I guess. But yeah, I have to record my video, so yeah, I'm here. So what do you think? Do you have any proper plan that what will you do? What you will do today? I want to make the videos quite long today because I have something. I have many things that I want to like ask here and say on the camera right now, because there is something that is going inside me and I want to clear it by now. Actually, you all know that it's been around 40 days for me for being me consistent here. So there's a question that arises with me, that arises in me, that am I able, like am I enough capable to do that thing which I have thought about myself, about my dream. Sorry, there was a insect that I have to just blow them away by my I don't know what it is. So yeah, like are you thinking in that way that I am like enough capable to whatever the thing that I have planned, that I will achieve it by now? Not by now, then after some years, after some months. Are you thinking in that way? Because yeah, yesterday I have asked with you that please make a to-do list. Sorry, to-do list is the other thing. I have asked with you to make a wish list. There's a bird just going to kill me, but yeah, I had just escaped from that bird, and it was a pigeon. Yeah, it also gives a lesson that the thing that you love most, the thing that you think that is cute to you, that is like adorable to you, can kill you, can give you the pain as well. So that is a life lesson. That is a life lesson that I have got, because in my previous video, if you are my like a regular viewer, then you have got me that I have praises that bird, that they are so cute, they are so adorable. But see what happened today. They just one of the birds, they just have crossed this much, so I have to just like bend away. I have to just like lean away so that I can escape from its way. Otherwise, I will be somewhere else, and maybe that video will not be recorded properly after that, because I will be hospitalized. Not I can say, but yeah, that's the jokes apart. Yeah, but I can sense a pain in my back. I don't know why. Maybe it is because of my sitting posture, and I want to correct it. Yeah, that is why I have promised, like I have planned with me that I will make this video quite long. Yeah, so I was asking with you that are you thinking in that way that I will be able to accomplish all the things? Because the thing is that I have yeah, of course I need to see the result now. I have given 40 days. This is only the thing that you take like watch in the front end, that is You just watch me that I'm recording video and I'm being consistent for 40 days. That's the other thing. But what I'm doing in the back end, that I'm what I'm putting effort every single day, or my technology, on my study stuff that I am doing right now. But I'm not getting result. I don't know why it is happening, but I'm not getting result. I am feeling a back pain and I have to manage it anyhow. So yeah, I'm not getting the result, and it will be not unfair if I will say that people are using me, but I know that this time will not be stagnant. This time will definitely change, and definitely I will change it, because I don't think that where I am, the condition in which I am right now, is meant for me. No, I will definitely change that thing, because I know that I am enough capable. I know that I am enough intellect. I don't think about the intellect matter, because sometimes I lost myself anywhere that even I can't able to fix out a simple problem. So for me, it is not the new thing. I have been experiencing that thing since my childhood, so I can't do anything with that. But I have to trust the process. That's it. What I can do. Yeah, even I am just experiencing the stamina problem. So yeah, it's okay, because I want to show my real face here. I don't want to show my filter version, that I will you can say that I will just pause and give a form smile, then I will speak. Then how come you can encounter my stammering? No, I have to show my real faces here, so that you can counter my stammering and everything that is happening with me right now. So yeah, this is the thing that I want to ask with you. But jokes apart, it is not a joke, of course, because I have said all these things, and that all things matters to me, and you have to answer all these things by leaving the comment in a comment section box. And if you are not, then you have to think in others' perspectives, because I am so tense right now. I don't know why but I'm so tense right now, because whatever I planned is not executing. I'm also putting that much effort, but still I'm not getting what I'm supposed to do. What I am think about me, that I will get that thing in that span of time, because only thing that I can do is the hard work. Okay, that I am putting every single day. You can see with my progress report, with my analysis point of view. But what I'm getting right now is not it is actually supposed to get. I don't think that it is enough early, but I think so. Let's come to the main point. So I have decided that this weekend I will go all out. I will go all out, and definitely I will go all out on my problems. The thing that is triggering me every single day, that I can't able to fix it out, I will definitely go all out. The thing is that या तो वो रहेगा या तो मैं रहूँगा. As simple as that. I want to do it anyhow. I have 48 hours till Monday, so I have 48 hours in my quadrant. So I have decided that I will give approximately or nearly 20 plus hours on my problems that is triggering me, that is pinching me every single day, every single night, that I can't be able to do that. Why I can't? I will do every single effort to tackle the issues. So I think what I can do the best from my side, that I will give 20 plus hours on my problem, on my that thing that is not helping me out, and I want to remove it by anyhow. This is up to me that how I will remove that thing, but definitely I'll remove that thing. But do you think that if I will like walk 20 hours plus in this weekend, so I will not record my video? Bro, you are wrong. I will record my video. Even I will record my singing videos too. I will record my like music videos too. Everything I will do. From as of now, that the thing that matters to me is being consistent, being promisable to every single step that you have, that I have spoken to camera. Okay, and even I will give you the proof that I have worked 20 plus hours in this weekend. Earlier I have a plan that I will study 16 hours today, but I think that it will be more tedious, and it will be more like not in a fruitful manner, because it will be hectic to manage the things for so long. So to give the body relax, I want to you can say give free time to your body to retain everything and all. So yeah, you have to respect your body, you have to respect your mind, you have to respect your capability of your intellect mind, that they need some time to capture it. Okay, see, this is what I'm doing, and this is happening for the last 10 minutes, for the last 8 minutes, but still I'm doing right now, because I have no shame to accept what I am right now. I have no shame to accept what I am speaking, what I am feeling right now, because this condition will definitely change one day, and I am working for that condition. Stammering issues, my mental health, and my financial health, and there are many more. I have written 8 points that I need to change by the end of this year, and I won't show this to you because I want to first do that thing, then I will show you. Then it will make some kind of worth. Otherwise it will be just a piece of paper and just a piece of word that I have written, and I'm not studying on that word, so it will not make that much sense. So definitely पहले करो फिर दिखाओ. So यही था मुझे बोलना था, that I have to do that thing. I don't know like how long it will take to get me in where the situation I'm like thinking right now to be, but for me only hard work matters. Definitely या तो मैं रहूँगा या तो वो रहेगा. I need that kind of mentality in everyone who is not in a good state, who is having the chaotic mind, that they are quite tensed about the life, that what they are thinking, what they are doing is not actually making the worth and all. So it's my urge, it's my request to everyone who is finding themselves in that kind of life, please go and change it, and you will definitely do that thing. I know it very well. You are the strongest person in the world, and definitely you will change that thing. Yeah, I have already told you that the video will be quite long, so if you stayed till here, then it's my heart. I am thanking you from all my heart, and definitely I will try to make yourself more valuable, make yourself more worthy by my upcoming videos, that I want to improve it by anyhow. So yeah, bye. काम करो और मैं भी कर रहा हूँ.